Carefree and maintenance-free. 4,000 plus square feet of living space, private patio, pool, exercise room, and clubhouse is perfect for entertaining. Whole house Generac generator. Creative Kitchen's custom gourmet kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, soft close drawers, and double oven. Dual primary suite on each level, west/shower, west/heated floors, double bowl vanities, and huge walk-in custom-built closet. Library has built-in bookcases and could be a fourth bedroom. Each bedroom has its own ensuite bath. Floored attic.